Hey everyone, welcome back to Lumber Capital Log Yard. Today I wanted to share with you some of the footage of a repair we did on our Woodmizer. I didn't know what was going on with it at first, just that it was leaking and wasn't coming out of the nozzle. So I went ahead and called the mechanic. I have him on speed dial because stuff like this always seems to crop up. He installed a makeshift lube system that bypassed the issue a couple weeks ago, but it is finally time to open it up and see what's wrong. I had it taped up a couple of places, as you can see. It had been pinched, but I knew it wasn't leaking from there. Luckily, we had a spare hose. It's hard to have a backup part for everything, but we try to keep some parts around just in case. As we were feeding the new hose through, Grandpa thought he saw a spot that it may have rubbed up against the mill. So we used a scrap piece of larger hose that could fit over, so it had a little bit of protection. After we got it zip tied down, I grabbed the key so we could test it out. And it leaked all over, so it wasn't the hose after all. But now we were able to see where it was leaking out of. It looked to us like the quick coupler wasn't joined properly. Grandpa guessed that it was just from the vibration. Problem was, there isn't anything quick about quick couplers. They are a pain in the butt to get together properly, and this was a particularly difficult spot to fit your hands in. While we had it apart, he also made sure that the check valve wasn't clogged. This thing wouldn't budge, so after trying one more time, he decided to take apart the machine more in order to reach it better. He was finally able to get them together, and it was a lot easier with the pump off. And it works. We just need to get the pump on and we should be good to go. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope that this helped if you are having any trouble with your lubrication system. If it did, make sure to like and subscribe and tune in for next week's video.